Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you about this product. What is this? As you can see, you can put like these things that you have to put in your car. Let's look from driver's point of view. Here. Oh my god. Here. This is from driver's seat. If you put some product like snacks or shoes, you don't have to go out your car and pick up at back of the car. You can just sit here, this driver's seat, and you can touch and get your things that you want. And this product is put it from this buckle. So if you want to bring this one to your home or your room, you just put out here and you can bring in your room. This is very wonderful, right? So this is very good for your car, everyday car life maybe. So please check this product. I'll put product page on the explanation of this video. So please check from the URL. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please push like button and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.